of the Orbex trader. So today I will tell you the most important or which are the most useful indicators that are used in trading. So if you are a beginner, you need to use some of the indicators to have edge in trading. Or if you are a professional or an experienced, so you don't need any type of indicator. So initially we need to use some of the indicators because we don't know about how the market moves and how the price action works. So we need to use some of the indicators. So I will tell you some of the indicators. So you need to go in the TradingView website. Then in the TradingView website you need to see this indicator section. In this indicator section you need to search EMA. So this will come moving average exponential. So I have already put this. So the first important indicator is the EMA. So the default, one second, this will come as default. So you need to come here in settings. Then you need to change 9 into 20. Then you can choose your color. Then set as OK. So this is the line which tells the average of 20 candles. For example, there are 20 candles and the average of 20 candles is the EMA. So this EMA is used for trailing the stop loss, or it is also used for support and resistance. So if you come and convert this into 5-minute time frame, then this indicator will work properly. So you can see we have a sideways market on Friday, but still the 20 EMA is supporting. You can see this, and when we go to the previous data, you can see how this EMA works. So it was supporting like this. When this support got broken, then it comes with the downtrend, then it's a fake breakout. Then you can see it took resistance from here, then it took resistance from here, then here. So it's a very useful indicator for trailing as well as for telling the stop loss or for telling the support and resistance. You can see how this EMA works. See, so it works in all the time frame, whether you are using in 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour of one day. So this EMA works in all time frame. So the second EMA is the 50 moving average. You need to come in settings and then you can change in it or 9 into 50. You can see 50. So this is the average of 50 candles. So this is also a very important indicator. You can see if this 20 EMA get broke down, then the 50 EMA will also work for support and resistance or for trailing. You can see that. So this also works as a support and resistance. Then the third indicator, which is also known as the most important indicator, is the 200 EMA. So this 200 EMA will work properly in 15 minutes time frame. I'm just closing the 50 and 20 EMA. So this 200 EMA will work properly in 15 minutes and above time frames. So if you want to see that whether the stock is in uptrend or whether the stock is in downtrend, so you need to check whether the price or whether the trading price is below 200 EMA or above the 200 EMA. If the price is above 200 EMA, so we can see a up move or it is an uptrend. But if it is below the 200 EMA, then we can see a downtrend. But in daily time frame, whether you are using in Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty or any other stocks, if the stock is below 200 EMA, so it will not sustain more than 1 month or 2 months. You can see here I have made a detailed video in 200 EMA. You can check it out. The link is in the description. The next indicator is the pivot points. When you will come to this indicator section, you will type pivots. So this will come pivot point standard. So when you will click, it will in the default settings. So you need to come here and convert this traditional into Fibonacci and convert this pivot time frame into daily time frame, because the daily time frame are very important. And you can choose the color as your choice. I'm just choosing one of them. So see, this pivot will act as a support as well as the resistance. So this indicator creates support and resistance by your own. So you don't need to select and you don't need to find support and resistance. You just need to put this indicator on and you can use it for intraday purpose or for swing trading also. So you can see it took support from here, then it goes up, and when this support gets broken, it reaches the target of support 1. So you can see how this indicator works. It's a very good indicator. I personally use this indicator for support or resistance or for trailing the stop loss. So you can see the resistance, it took the resistance, then it come to pivots, then when the pivots got broken it turns into support one, then this support becomes resistance and it goes down and goes down. This is a sideways market. So you can see it took resistance from R1, then R1, then pivot, it took support from pivot, and yet then you can see a good rally. So it works properly. So you can use this indicator if you want to improve trading. So the next indicator I will choose is the RSI. So first come to this indicator section, type RSI. So the full form of RSI is Relative Strength Index. So this indicator tells you the strength of the particular index or the particular stock. So as you can see, the Bank Nifty was range bound. I will tell you the see the Bank Nifty was range bound, but the RSI was decreasing gradually. You can see. So it means that the strength, or you can see the buyers are not interested. So that's why the RSI is decreasing. This shows that the market can go down. So as you can see, when this range got broke, it falls, and as you can see it comes for a retest and then it falls. So it tells you strength of the particular stock or index. So I will make a detailed video related to the RSI and what is RSI divergence, what is fake divergence. So I will make another video of RSI divergence, so you can watch that video if you want to know about RSI. The RSI is also used to check whether a stock or index is in overbought position or is it in oversold position. As you can see, the Bank Nifty was above 70. This is the range of RSI. If it is above 70, then we can consider as a overbought, or if it is below 20, then we can say that it is a oversold. So as you can see, the Bank Nifty goes above the 70, so we can see that it is in overbought position. And you can see a divergence also. The Bank Nifty was stable, but the RSI was decreasing. This showed that the Bank Nifty can reverse, and you can see it got reversed. And as you can see, the RSI was below 20, so we can see a doji, and then you can see there is a up move in Bank Nifty. So the RSI is also used for overbought position and the oversold positions. Next indicator which I will choose is the volume indicator. So this is the volume. When you search volume, so this will come as volume. So this is the last but not the least indicator. So when you come to the setting options, this MA length will be 20, and come to the style and active this option. So a moving average will come to this volume. So this volume indicator tells whether the stock has good volumes or whether the stock don't have the good volume. So this also tells whether a smart money or big money comes into a particular stock. So as you can see this shows that there is a high volume of buying side. So you can see the Reliance goes up. This shows that the big money comes, or you can see the smart money, or some people says that operators, those which have huge capital, they come in this stock and they gradually increases, and when they sell they decreases. So this volume indicator is not so much useful, but some people use to check whether the stock is in good volumes, or whether the people are interested to buy, or whether the people are interested to sell. So this is not so famous, or this is not useful indicator, but this can be useful for you as a beginner. So thank you guys, hope you guys liked my video. So please comment which indicator you will choose for trading, and you can open account in UPSTOX and Fires. The link is in the description. Thank you guys.